My dear children, hope all of you are fine. Welcome back everyone to our computer class. So children, as you all of you know that we have already started our online classes through Google Meet. Okay, sometime I will also take one class for you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me there. Okay children, so we are learning our chapter 3, looking after your computer. Okay. In this lesson, we will learn about the care we should take with computer. Already I have told about these things. Again I will explain it so that you can understand it properly. So children, what are the do's and do nots for the computer? Okay, do's or do nots with computer. Okay, what should we do? What we should not do? Children, first we will discuss about the do's with computer. Try to keep your computer and its surroundings tidy and clean. Okay children, always we should keep our computer and its surroundings clean. Gently cover the computer before leaving the computer room. We should bring one cover for the computer and we should cover it when we are not using it. Okay children. Then inform your teacher or an elder if you find that a wire has come out. So children, when we are learning inside the classroom, at that time in the lab, if you find that anything is happened wrong with the computer, we should inform to the teacher. Okay, if you are staying at your home, then you should inform to your parents. Turn off the monitor if you are not going to use your computer for the next 20 minutes. It saves energy. So children, when you are finishing your work, you should shut down your computer so that you can save energy. Then maintain a proper distance from the monitor. Okay children, we should sit at a proper distance from the monitor. Everybody should get an equal chance to learn and play. Share computers with your friends. So children, when you are doing any activity in your computer, when you are 2 or 3 in numbers, then you should share among yourselves. Inside the school lab also and at your home also. You should not fight for it. Then children, we will discuss what we should not do with the computer. Do not eat or drink anything near a computer. Okay children, you should not drink or eat anything. Otherwise it will fall down. Do not insert anything like a finger, a pencil, an eraser or any such thing into the computer. You should not insert anything like this. Otherwise, your computer may get some problems and you are unable to do your work. You should take proper care of your computer. Okay children? Another thing is what? Don't pull wires from the computer also. And always you should use original software. Pirated software we should not use in our computer. It lead to poor functioning of our computer. And never pull out cables and wires from a computer, as I have already told you. Okay, doing this you can damage the system. Okay children, and you should not turn your computer on and off many times. It will damage our system software and some functioning also affected. Do not sit very close to the monitor screen. Keep a safe distance from it. Okay? Otherwise, we will get some eye related problems. Do not bang the keyboard hard. Remember children, you have to use the things softly, mainly the computer parts. and don't download the games or songs from your unreliable sites on the internet. You might end up downloading a virus program and cause a virus attack on your computer. By doing this, you can bring virus to your computer. Okay, children, and we should install a good antivirus program. This will protect our computer from harmful programs called viruses. Okay, children, our computer is a delicate machine and it needs soft handling. So, children, some main points we should understand about our computer. Be safe. Computer works on electricity. Okay, and we should not share our computer socket with other machines. The socket may get heated up due to overloading. And children, one more important thing, we should protect our computer from smoke, high temperature, humidity, etc. Be gentle. Computer is delicate. Okay, we need soft handling. Keep it clean. Dust is harmful for a computer. So we should keep clean our computer with a dry cloth. Okay. Keep a correct posture. A bad posture can harm your back. Okay, children, when you are operating our computer, you should keep in a correct posture. We should sit properly in front of the monitor. So, children, these are some do's and don'ts for you. Okay, how you can treat with your computer. Our computer will work much better and last much longer if we should look after it well. Okay, children, I hope that you all of you have understood about our looking after our computer. How should we take care about it? Okay, children, thank you.